The mentioned car, known as the Marciano 268A, made in 1972 by a small Italian auto workshop named Marciano Prototipi, owned by Vincenzo Marciano, who was 23 years old when the car was built. And the car's name has meaning around its engine, which is 2.6 liters, 8 cylinders, and anterior or front engine layout. Let's take a look into its simple and focused interior. There are a pair of 4-point harnesses, leather bucket seats, then on its windows tucked a small section of the window slits back, and the aluminum doors were opened by simple straps. Meanwhile, behind the loosey wooden steering wheel is the dash filled with the Alfa Romeo instrumentation. The car-making project begun in 1972, and finished in the late 1990s. It was very slow and took years, because this was only ever a part-time project for Vincenzo Marciano. At last, the car made its public debut at Alfa Romeo's 100th anniversary celebrations in 2010, where it received a lot of praise and attention.